This is PHP 101 here. Today, what we're going to do is learn about if and else statements. Okay? So, first what I'm going to do is make a file. I'm going to save it as, I'll call it if.php. Alright, so, first we're going to make our PHP tags. And inside, what we're going to do is create a variable. So let's say it's going to be a number variable, so we don't have to call it number, but say our number is 3. So if statements basically work as like how you think it would work. So for example, if something equals something, then do this, and then the else statement would be or else do that. So if the number equals, we're not declaring it, we're checking to see if it's the same, so we put two equal signs, equals 3, then do this, do this, or over here we can put else, do this. Else do this, right? So if it equals 3, then we're simply gonna we're gonna simply echo out it is 3, and we're gonna echo out here it is not 3. Okay, we're gonna go back here, basics, and this is our file. So it says it is 3 because the number we declared up here, variable which was an integer, was 3. So if the number equals 3, then echo that. So since the number was 3, it echoed out it is 3. Now say we had a string. So say our string was word. Okay, so in here we're not going to type in word because it's a string, so we need quotations. So word, and over here we're going to put in it is word, and we're going to put in it is not word. Okay, now if you go back here, it is word. The string variable here says word and it's equal to word, so it outputs it is word. Now say this was let's say blah. Okay, let's go over here, refresh. It says it is not word because this variable right here does not equal the if statement right here. So if the number is equal to word, then do this, but it is not equal to word, so else do this. It is not equal to word, it echoes out it is not word. Okay, so that's generally the idea of how if statements work. But you can also have if and else statements. So if the number is equal to word, do this, else if number equals for example blah, then do this, and then over here let's echo out it is blah. Okay, now if you go back here and refresh, it outputs it is blah because we had an if else statement. So first it checks for this. If this isn't true, then we check for this, If this isn't true, it outputs that. So say we change this to apple. It's going to output it is not word because it doesn't meet any of these conditions over here. Now say we change it back to word. It outputs it is word because it meets this condition here. So it echoes out it is word. And ladies and gentlemen, that's basically how if and else statements work. Of course, you can get more complex with these, but you're going to figure out those in my future videos when we're learning about, for example, like a validation form, or a registration form, a login, etc. Thank you very much, and please comment, rate, subscribe, like the video, and hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.